Having no savings is easily one of the biggest scares for anyone. No matter how broke you are, the bills have to be paid. Food needs to be on the table, and you are going to need hot water for those cold nights. Money provides for everything you will need for a comfortable life. And savings is a must if you want to protect you and your family from any unexpected financial blow. Trust me, unexpected financial blows are bound to happen, but how you prepare for them will be the difference between whether you will live a comfortable life or end up being broke without any money. The importance of savings can't be stressed enough. Your savings are what you will need during those difficult times like unexpected job loss or pay cuts, a medical emergency, or even a sudden house repair. Moreover, savings are important to finance your long-term financial goals like retirement, pay off debt, or even children education. I am pretty sure you've committed some major financial mistakes in your life. We all have, and that's exactly why we are here discussing the importance of savings. To build your savings from zero may sound like an intimidating task, and it certainly will be a short-term journey. But the good part is that it's never too late to start saving, given that you have the right intention and discipline to do the work that it takes. Here are a few money steps that you can take right away to save for all your financial goals. Step number 1, acknowledge and accept your situation. Acknowledging and accepting the fact that you are not in a great financial situation might be the first step to finding a solution to your problem. It will help you ascertain how your life has been affected by it and how badly you need to improve your situation. Ask yourself a few questions in order to understand where you stand in terms of your finances. Are you struggling to meet your basic financial needs like food, utility, and rent? Are you prepared to deal with a sudden financial setback? What is the value of your assets and the liabilities? While it is good to be optimistic about the future, it is in your best interest to be realistic about the present so that can set you off on your journey towards your financial success. Step number 2, have a close look at your lifestyle. The second step towards improving your financial situation is to do a detailed assessment of your lifestyle to understand how you ended up in this situation without any savings. Maybe you have been hanging out with friends at expensive places or spending heavily on vacations, branded clothing, and accessories. Ask yourself if you have been eating out too much or been giving out too much expensive gifts to family and friends. While it is totally human to seek social validation, the quality of the life you are living may seem disastrous to your finances and leave you in a lot of debt to pay. Having a closer look at your lifestyle can help you identify the pain points and expenses that you need to cut back on so that you can start building up on your savings. Alternatively, you may find out that you have been living an extremely frugal lifestyle, but it is your limited income that is posing a threat to your finances. If that is the case, you may have to consider starting a side hustle to supplement your current income, or even consider changing jobs so that you can increase your income, and that can help you start building up on your savings. Step number 3, create a budget now. Having zero savings most probably means there is something wrong with how you are managing your money. A budget will help you get a reality check on your spending habits, besides helping you identify areas where you can scope to save money. If you have not been able to build yourself some savings, there are chances that you are not earning enough to meet your needs. Whatever the case, budgeting can help you identify the pain points, which can push you towards building a strategy to fight your financial troubles. Step number 4, start building an emergency fund. Zero savings certainly means you are not financially prepared with the risks associated with life, like sudden job loss, a pay cut, health emergency, or even house repairs. Given the uncertainty of the surroundings, you don't want to live life with the idea that you don't have any financial cushion to protect you from any financial blow. Start building an emergency fund now, targeting liquidity equal to about 3 months of your household expenses. Step number 5, get rid of debt as quickly as possible. One of the major reasons why people are left without savings is their huge debt repayment obligation. You might have been making a lot of money, but the piling up debt and its associated interest ends up eating up all your savings at the end of the month. In order to get out of this cycle of being broke, make debt repayment your primary priority right now. Try building your life around this one goal until you are debt-free and in a position to start saving for your financial goals. Step number 6, save like crazy. Needless to say, saving should be your main mantra and goal of life if you wish to get out of this cycle of being broke. Saving is a one-stop solution to all your financial problems, and it can help you relieve a lot of stress that is occupying your mind right now. Do everything in your power to save money. Comparison shop for everything, look for discount codes, reduce unnecessary spending, stop impulse buying, and automate your saving like it's the sole purpose of your money. It can surely seem overwhelming to cut down on expenses that basically define your lifestyle, but you'll be happy to see the results in the form of increased savings. A few good changes in your spending habits can go a long way on your journey to meet your short-term goals as well as your long-term financial goals. Let me know in the comment section other steps that you think that people can take if they have no savings right now. And if you got value out of this video, kindly hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to join this journey to financial freedom. Thank you and see you in the next video. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 reasons why you might be stuck living paycheck to paycheck. Number 1 will be the I deserve it thinking.